We're out here magnet fishing looking for a computer that we've seen. So, got a piece of it though. Let's see if we can get another piece. I don't remember exactly what it was, but the water's a little bit higher. Might have got something though. I think I got something.
Yeah.
Must have let go. I'm not sure yet. Got some rest. But let's see. Out here at Fall River Lake with my daughter Avril. She's recording.
Hello.
Let's see. I see bubbles. Where's Buttercup and Blossom? Feels like I got something. If I do fall in, don't record it.
Okay.
No. Almost fell over. I think I got it, but it just keeps snagging on the rocks. I got something in there.
Yeah.
I have to get that grappling hook out. Huh? Let's see. Wait. If I don't get in here, we'll get the hook out.
Okay. That's a cute little flip-flop.
Think it'll fit?
Yeah.
Today's second find. In the bucket it goes. We'll throw it away.
Lucy.
Somebody's computer, they got rid of evidence.
Yeah.
I think I'm just not hitting the right spot.
And then there's kids over there jumping off the side.
Last days of summer.
Yep. Got 1 week till school.
Savage!
You're okay, Savage.
Try more this way. I'm gonna go around you here.
Hey, don't be mean to your friends. No.
Alright, let's see. Fall River Mills, California, that is, not Fall River, Massachusetts.
Yep.
Yep. We are Californians.
Yeah. He's eating all the mint and I can smell it. Spud,
You
I can
plant
smell
this
what
stuff
you're
wild
eating.
along your house and it will keep the ants away.
Yeah.
Mint,
Oh.
because it goes wild right here. So.
Yeah.
There's a whale. I didn't know we had whales in Fall River Lake. Let's see. It feels like I might have something in there.
Yeah. Sounds like they're killing each other over there.
It's a whale fight.
It's a whale fight.
It's a beached whale fight. Okay, I've been called the beach trout before. Well, because I'm small. Like it takes it back in there. That means it might have something in there.
Yeah. Are you trying to get the pine cone? You just drag it out of the water.
Oh, it's stuck in the seaweed. Ooh, wait.
Oh.
I got something. Yeah. Little piece of the computer.
Yep.
It's testing. Do you think it's usable?
No.
No. Well, that's a second piece. Okay, let's see. Oh shoot! I was stepping on it.
It's at phone at 10%.
Yeah, it doesn't like to keep a charge. $25 track phone.
Spud, what are you trying to get? Well, the perfect piece, huh?
And a 2. And a 3!
I think you're trying to steal his... all the plants.
Have to get the magnet unstuck once, but that's about it so far.
Yeah. Do you want me to get it for you, babies? There you go. Here's your own very own pine cone, okay?
Oh, maybe something else.
Let me get it.
But it's out there. Don't be frustrated. We only have 10% battery. Anyway, there we go.
Do you think it's all the way out there?
I think it's no, but now hopefully there's no like big old rocks that get stuck on.
Yeah.
But I have learned how to use the grappling hook to get unstuck. So no, but the further you got, it seems like when you pull it back in, then you have a bigger chance of hitting it.
Yeah.
Instead of going too short, you know. Like I might have. They're drowning the baby.
Oh no.
No, just joking.
Still going after pine cone.
It's not the first time I have fallen on my butt.
I think they're going to jump off at something else now. They said something about the other spot.
Oh, wait. We might have the whole computer. I'm serious, watch. Going it up. Going something up.
Surely.
The early bird gets the worm. Whatever it is, it's coming.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's gonna get. Yeah, I can watch. Watch, pull that. Pull it and watch it let go, and then let it pull back. Did it let go yet?
Yeah, it pulls back.
It pulls back, huh? That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I think it's really cool. Yeah. And then sometimes it's just a matter of working it.
Oh, okay, you want that then? Is that what you want? He just smushed his nose against the rock.
Oh, I see bubbles.
Yeah. %.
The excitement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's stuck on the bush, but I got something. Hang on a second.
Ah, there's something on my leg.
Hang on a second. I just don't want to fall. There we go. But look at that.
It's part of the computer.
Get it piece by piece.
Yeah, and put it together.
Find out whose it was and just ship it back to him.
This was
Anybody
a
want this
lake.
computer? Just go on Amazon. It'll be for sale. So far, we have found the pieces to it.
Yeah.
Watch out, Lucy.
Lucy. Now she thinks we're trying to kill her.
See, I went out that far and I got something.
Yeah.
But I know there's like 2 whole computer the casings of them or whatever they're called.
Yeah.
I think we're about to die. I will get back to you guys and let you know what we find.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.